I think I'm gonna have to call them to pick up that door. They're not taking that door. I knew it. I knew it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call the special people to pick up that door. All right, this is taking way too long. I got this side perfect, but is this other side is giving me, it's kind of getting on my nerves because it's not lined up properly whatsoever. Take it off. And start from the bottom. Oh, somebody missed their garbage. She got to run down the street with her garbage bin. Ain't that some shit? I used to do it. Like, nah. But she's running with the whole garbage bin. Oh, he met her halfway. Ain't that so nice? They'd be so nice. These garbage bins sometimes be so nice. Sometimes he's reversing. The truck reversed down the street. That is nice. In New York, they would not do that. But down here in the South, they do that. In New York, they would not do that. They reversed for her to come pick up her shit. Why are you looking at my trash, girl? All right, I'm getting tired of this window. Oh yeah, I wake up at 6 a.m., get that trash out. So I used to be that person. I'd be having to run, try to catch them, and all that kind of stuff. I don't like taking the trash out at night. In the South, there's too much stuff going on down here. Insects, all that stuff I have never heard of in my life. I'm still discovering all these different type of insects and stuff, and I'm not playing around, taking my trash out at night. No chances whatsoever. And when I cook the night of and stuff like that, mainly, I'm always constantly throwing some stuff in the garbage. All right, I think I'm gonna have to leave it like this because this thing right here is like not getting any better for me. This thing is not getting any better. All right, I think this is it. This is it. This is it, you guys. Yep, I did it. There we go. Finally, it is done. These little imperfections in this thing. Come on, let's see if I can get that out. Yep, getting it out. All right, it's on, you guys. That is nice. It's not as clear, but most of the impurities is out, and it being recycled, the roll and stuff from someone else. It does have their regular those little things in it and stuff from the plastic, whatever, drying out, but that's okay. But yay, I got it, you guys. I got it done.